But going back to your shipping times, right? So obviously you switched over to an agent, majoritively for your orders. Do you think that drastic change in shipping time from like 2 weeks, well, like from 4 to 2 weeks, increased the amount of sales, or did it more increase the amount of reviews you're getting? Like, how specifically did that improve your business?
I don't think it increased my sales per se, because it was right at the start that I did that change. So it wasn't like I got to see a drastic change in my sales, but it certainly improved my customer experience. And certainly improved like just my overall Etsy performance, in a sense that like the trackings were getting, the last mile tracking was getting inputted in the system by my agent. So therefore my holds weren't happening as long. Customers were happy with the shipping time, so they were leaving reviews quicker. So that has definitely helped from a customer experience perspective. Absolutely. I think the boys who have been, I know there's some guys in the Etsy Kings chat, they've done like 300 plus sales and they're still using CJ and they're still using AliExpress. I reckon if they switched over to an agent, they would see a massive difference.
Yeah, definitely. I do agree with that. I still do CJ for certain stores. I still do AliExpress for certain stores. But yeah, like it's just obviously going to make your customer experience so much better. You're going to get higher like review rates. You're going to get more returning customers, even though returning customer rates super low on Etsy.